I'm losing it. Hello, this is Chef Sarah, and today we're going to be making a strawberry basil vinaigrette. It's perfect for the spring and summertime. So let's go ahead and go over the ingredients. Here I have some fresh strawberries from the pecan patch in Oxford, Kansas. Super good, super sweet, way better than the grocery store. I have a couple of pieces of lemon peel, a couple inch peels of them, and then I have a couple of onion petals, not too many, just a little bit. Then I have a little bit of rough chopped basil, also from the pecan patch. I have sugar, and there is also a little tiny bit of salt in there, just a couple of shakes. And then I have, this is just distilled vinegar, and a little bit of avocado oil. We're not going to use a whole lot of this today. It's going to be more like a salad smoothie than a actual vinaigrette. Okay, I also have this blender. You're welcome to mash these if you don't have any sort of blender. Mash your strawberries, that's just fine. Then fine dice your onion and fine dice your lemon peel, that'll work. So we're gonna go in first with the strawberries. Doink, doink. All right, and then sugar. You don't need a whole lot of sugar, just a little bit to kind of enhance. And then this is too much vinegar. We're gonna shoot for maybe a quarter cup or whatever my blender needs to roll. And then I'm not terribly worried about emulsifying. There's enough organic matter in there and just a little bit of oil. It should stay together for us. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pour a little bit of oil. Like I said, the strawberries are gonna add the viscosity to this. So maybe 1/8 to a quarter cup, not a whole lot at all. Okay, so before I add my basil, I'm gonna go ahead and emulsify these things. Mix them together because I don't want like a pink green thing. It's kind of ugly. So we're not going to do that. So we're just going to go ahead, pop a lid on. If you don't have a Ninja, they're pretty cool. So you can just go. Super vibrant strawberry color. Okay, so we're almost done. And now I've kind of pre-chopped my basil because I don't want a huge leaf just hanging out in there. And I also don't want to blend it so long that the kind of chlorophyll comes out and just makes everything very green. Oopsie, I'm spilling. So I'm just going to dump that in. Alternatively, you can chop this by hand and just mix it in at the end. That's completely fine. Okay, put the lid back on. And blend. Okay, so that is good. You have a nice speckled look to it. It's not big ribbons. Here we are. Okay, and I'll pour that in. It's super pretty, super simple, and everybody loves this one. It's very good. This would be really great on a spinach salad with strawberries. Obviously, that's good. Some sort of sharp cheese, or if you don't love sharp cheese, a little bit of fresh mozzarella would be really nice too. Thank you for watching.